Hi everybody, I'm CreativeSarah, and today I'm going to show you the coolest chalk made kit ever. This is going to blow your mind. You may have never thought about it, but let me show you. We have put together a kit. All you have to do is purchase this one kit. I want you to check it out. This is a cork board. How cool. We're gonna create this really awesome cork round piece. It is a Halloween, it's called Treat Thorns. It's so awesome. So what I'm gonna do is show you the contents of the kit, and then you can click on that link. It's gonna be right in the description of this video, and you can grab it. This kit has already sold out once before. We don't want it to sell out again before it's too late. It comes with 4 chalkable shape boutique surface bats. Okay, so these are, we have like coordinating transfers, of course. You're gonna love this. Comes with a full color instructions. I had to think of my word. Full color instructions, step by step. Comes with the chalk paste you're gonna need, your little color trays to squirt your chalk paste in your squeegee for chalking, and then all of your little hardware. I'll show you how to do this at the end. How you're gonna put it all together. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Let's get started. The first thing so first we're gonna cut or transfer on the cut lines. Woohoo! You guys, this is gonna be so cute. And if you have a covered porch, you can totally put this on your door, your front door, or if your porch isn't covered, you can easily spray it with a sealant so that you can put it on your front porch. Now, I'm just gonna kind of center this. I do want to fuzz. I'm just gonna label the back here. And I'm gonna peel this off. And then I'll grab my fuzzing cloth and we'll do our fuzzing. Yippee-ki-yay-yo. Just kind of go around the whole thing. Make sure you got it fuzzed. There we go. So that should be pretty good. I'm just gonna flip it over and kind of center it on here, and then making sure you're gonna get a packet of Shimmer Shadow and Glow in the Dark. You want to cut open the packet at the bottom, squeeze a little out, and you may use this whole thing actually, but I know you're not going to use the whole thing of the Glow in the Dark. So squeeze a little out, use it, roll this up, put a piece of tape on it, and save it for another project. I'm going to go ahead and use my jars of paste because I personally have these colors. While I paste this, I want to let you guys know that if you're new, you can easily comment the word VIP, and I'll send you a message with a link that you can join my free crafting group where we are having Christmas in July this week. So make sure you get in there to comment VIP right there in the comments. Hey, while I'm drying this, if you have not joined our awesome club yet, go ahead and type club in the comments. I'll send you a message with all the information. Okay, so now I'm gonna set that aside. I'm gonna pull out my bats. Okay, so we're going to take our bat, line him up. I will tell you, even though you can see through the transfer, sometimes it might help you to put something light under here just to see it better when you're lining it up. So even if you just use that backer that we just pulled off, I'm going to use our glow in the dark paste. There we go. Our mini squeegee. If you have been curious about becoming a designer or would like to look at some of the flexible ways you could run a business like this, go ahead and type team in the comments. I'll send you some information and you can ask questions if you want. I can even send you some videos. Up to you. Just comment team and I will get back to you ASAP. If you are loving this project, you need to get one for yourself. It is so easy to put together. Oh my gosh. And your home will look amazing for Halloween. Now is the time to get it. This has already sold out before, so we don't want it to sell out again and be unavailable. Just click the project supply link in the description of this video. Now that we have our pieces, I'm going to show you how this goes together. Remember, this is a cork board, so you can use thumbtacks as well as, push pins, thumbtacks, whatever. So it comes with 4 flat back thumbtacks. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a glue dot and we're going to put it on the thumbtack, okay? And then that glue dot is going to go on the back of each of the bats. And so your bat is going to become a glorified thumbtack. So there we go. So we put the thumbtack on with the glue dot. It is stuck. And where do we want him? Put him right here. Press the thumbtack down. It's as cool as that, you guys. It's so, so cool. You guys, I know you can tell that this is an awesome project. It's super cool and very trendy. These circles and other porch signs like this or door hangers are so awesome. The cork makes it super fun. And of course, we're incorporating more natural elements into the decor. So trendy. You're gonna love it. This was easy. Now, in order to hang this, I want to make sure I have this the way I want it. These are little hangers and screws that we need our little screwdriver. go. And you can screw into cork so easily. You guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Obviously, I would love, love, love to hear your thoughts in the comments, but also give it a heart. That means so much to me. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. So now I have the back. You can hang it on the wall, or you can set it in an easel. I'm just gonna decorate this little guy. We're gonna pop all of these on. Look how cool. This is so awesome.